Hi guys, can you guys tell if I'm still sleeping? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I have to go to work 30 minutes earlier this morning than I would usually go. And this mama wants to sleep, but sleep is still on my face. I can't wash it off because I'm just tired. I'm just not used to this, okay? Thank God it's just one morning of the week that I have to go in this early. Man, babe was laughing at me just now and says it's the only time of the week he hear an alarm and he laugh about it. It's not him this time. My gosh, you guys. So I'm heading off to work right now, and babe is going to take Tyler to the daycare on his way to work, and then I am going to pick him up on his way to work. I have a date after work, not with my husband, sadly, but I have a date after work. So I am going to have to go to pick Tyler up after work and then head to my date. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get back from work. So make sure you guys have a wonderful day. I don't know if babe will get to vlog before he leaves, but if not, then you guys will see the boys later. So catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if it's your first time watching, and I'll catch you guys when I get back. You guys, everything that could have gone wrong with me today went wrong. I missed my bus from work. That was one. The bus that I was supposed to catch after that bus was late. No, I mean it broke down, so I couldn't get it. And I was late to pick up Tyler, but thank God babe had picked him up, and I could just go to babe office and get him. But now I have him and he's here eating nuts. Say hello. Say hi. He's eating nuts, so he can't talk. But we are on the promenade, still in my work clothes, still tired, still want to sleep, everything. But I'm at this beach called Lido Plage. I'm actually going to go down there right now because that's where my date is waiting on me. And I'm hungry, so I guarantee that I'll be having some kind of lunch or something to eat. So yeah, let's go meet whoever I'm meeting and let's get this lunch date going. Baby's at work, so we'll see him later. Yes, Tyler, who's that sexy Tyler? Ah! Tyler, what's that sexiness, man? Too much sexiness, oh. Tyler, give me one. All the sexiness, honey.
Can I have one? Yes.
You just be dropped.
Hi.
Oh, you want a sexy man?
You're so good.
And the people
shut up, please. When you get to a certain age, you don't care.
You guys, so this is my date. That's my date. Jen, say hi.
We're
You
at the
guys, we are at the beach, y'all. We're chilling.
Thank you so much for her, not
Thank
me.
you so much.
Just for the kiddo.
No, well, probably, but
Thank you.
right. Oh, you're right.
And Tyler is ready.
You're right. It's hot.
C'est chaud, hein?
Ça sort de la friteuse, attention.
Wait, wait.
C'est chaud?
Attends,
Oh,
chef.
regarde.
Outside the fire.
Really?
Hot.
Attends, c'est chaud. C'est chaud.
So we are here just chilling and having a relaxed afternoon. Jen been here all day, so I just joined her and drinking and eating a little bit. I need this relaxation. Damn. She and Tyler over there is good.
Is it show? C'est chaud?
C'est pas chaud.
C'est chaud? Je pense. Je pense.
Like, I want
C'est
to
chaud?
bite you.
C'est chaud.
I want
He's like,
to bite
please,
you.
I'm gonna get my fry. Give me that fry. Okay, dear.
Look at these two gone in the water with their sexy self. He's so excited. Bye bye, Abba. I'm waiting to see him scream right now.
Hold on. I'm gonna get the shoe off. It hurts my foot. Woo! Hey, come. Oh. Woo! Woo! Oh, get up.
Look at him hooking up. Just give him a one dip. Give him a dip. Let me see his reaction. What a call!
Mommy, stay there. I'm gonna get this boy.
Wait, I have to go for a toilet.
Bateau? Yes.
I can't believe that the birds. We'll see him come with the food, and the bird's gonna eat it again.
Tell him to come first. Tell him, Monsieur.
The bird eats all the fries, so don't leave it there. What? I'm gonna kill your birds and take them home with me. I leave the fries and nothing is remain.
Protect your plates. I come back.
Oh my god. I think you should come.
I come back with a gun. No worries.
Oh my god. This is hilarious. You guys, we ordered lunch and that just reached. So we're gonna have lunch right now. And Jen and Tyler is down there acting a fool with each other. Listen, they're hilarious. Tyler is having so much fun with Jen, it's not even funny. But these birds though. We leave our fries on the table and went to the beach and came back and the fries were gone completely. The bird just ate every single fries that was in the plate. I've never seen anything like this in life. I am home, officially home, and the sunset is just peeking. Ooh, I look like a ghost just now. The sunset is just coming up. Let me show you guys the sunset. The sunset is now coming back to my direct view because it's going back to winter, so that's when I would have the view in front of me. And that's a peek of it. As you can see, it's just around the corner, so it's going to come around in a few weeks, which you will have a better view of it, which looks super beautiful still. So that's the sunset right now. In the kitchen, I'm really tired, so I'm not going to even put down any really big cooking. I'm just going to go to the fridge and take out all the leftovers, get rid of what I need to get rid of, and make dinner with the rest. So let's see what my creative fingers come up with for dinner. All right, you guys, so here goes what I found. I have some rice, I have some corn, and I have some chicken which I'm making the smoke cooker. Some Maggi season over it, and dinner is ready in less than 5 minutes. Go baby, hey, hey, go baby, say go papa, go papa, go papa, go papa, go papa, hey, 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 go papa, go papa. So proud of you, honey. Get that workout, baby. What speed you on? What speed you on?
What?
Speed.
Hey.
What? Come to, baby. Anyway, you guys, I'm just going to give you the Jamaican expression right now based on how I feel, and I just tell babes my body pop down, meaning I am tired and I need to get some rest. Okay, I don't have to get up early in the morning, but I still have work tomorrow, but it's in the afternoon, so that's good. Say it. My body pop down.
Me belly pack down.
My body pop down.
Oh, pop down. Me body pop down.
Right. Alright, certified patata. What's the French expression?
Mange ta main et garde l'autre pour demain.
Quoi?
Mange ta main et garde l'autre pour demain. Mean
Eat your hands.
eat your hand and keep the other one for tomorrow. When you're hungry and you have nothing to eat and someone say what's for dinner, what we're gonna eat, or say eat your hand and keep the other one for tomorrow.
Okay.
Say it.
Mange ta main
et garde l'autre pour demain.
et garde l'autre pour demain.
Right. You can make a rap. Yeah, you can make a rap. Mange ta main et garde l'autre pour demain.
Body pop dog. Body pop dog.
Mange ta main et garde
Body
l'autre pour
pop
demain.
dog. Body pop dog.
Mange ta main
Body
et garde
pop
l'autre pour
dog.
demain.
Body pop dog. Body. Rap with wife and husband rap duet.
Yeah, do a wagon.
Body
Mange
pop
ta
dog.
main et garde l'autre pour demain.
Body pop dog. Body pop dog. Hilarious.
Alright guys, that was the funny moment.
Say
it.
Go ahead, end the vlog.
If you like it, you give the thumbs like this. A blue one and not a red one.
Okay.
You comment down below. You turn on the notification bell or you subscribe. Well, you understand.
What's this? Anyway, you guys.
And we thank you a lot. That means a lot. And we see you tomorrow.
Catch up and keep up. Never forget to say catch up and keep up.
And keep up and be safe and take care of yourself.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.